Mitigating land degradation. Best practices for sustainable agriculture. Title: Mitigating land degradation. Best practices for sustainable agriculture. Introduction. Land degradation poses a significant threat to global food security, ecosystem stability, and biodiversity conservation. Unsustainable agricultural practices can lead to soil erosion, nutrient depletion, water scarcity, and loss of biodiversity. However, with a focus on sustainable agriculture, we can mitigate the impacts of land degradation and ensure the long-term health and productivity of our land. This article explores the best practices for mitigating land degradation in agriculture. 1. Conservation agriculture. Conservation agriculture focuses on reducing soil erosion, enhancing soil health, improving water retention, and promoting biodiversity. Key practices include minimal soil disturbance through techniques like no-till or reduced tillage, maintaining permanent soil cover with cover crops or crop residues, and diversifying crop rotations. By minimizing soil erosion and improving soil structure, conservation agriculture reduces land degradation and improves long-term sustainability. 2. Precision farming techniques. Precision farming techniques involve the use of advanced technologies to optimize resource utilization and reduce environmental impact. This includes precision irrigation, which minimizes water usage by applying water directly to the root zone, based on soil moisture sensors. Precision nutrient management ensures that fertilizers are applied accurately to meet crop requirements, reducing nutrient runoff and soil degradation. By adopting precision farming techniques, farmers can maximize productivity while minimizing the potential for land degradation. 3. Agroforestry. Agroforestry is a sustainable land-use system that combines agricultural crops with trees or shrubs. It offers multiple benefits, including soil conservation, improved water infiltration, increased carbon sequestration, and enhanced biodiversity. The strategic placement of trees or shrubs in agricultural fields provides shade, windbreak protection, and nutrient cycling, all of which contribute to mitigating land degradation. By integrating trees into agricultural landscapes, farmers can restore degraded land while maintaining productive agricultural systems. 4. Soil and water conservation measures. Implementing soil and water conservation measures is crucial for mitigating land degradation. These measures include contour plowing, terracing, buffer strips, and grass waterways, which help reduce soil erosion caused by water runoff. Terracing, for example, helps to slow down water flow, allowing soil particles to settle, and preventing soil erosion on slopes. Buffer strips and grass waterways act as filters, trapping sediment and contaminants before they reach water bodies. By adopting these measures, farmers can protect their soils from erosion and safeguard water quality. 5. Integrated pest management, IPM. Uncontrolled pest outbreaks can lead to the excessive use of chemical pesticides, posing risks to soil health, water resources, and biodiversity. Integrated pest management, IPM, is an eco-friendly approach that emphasizes the integration of various pest control methods to minimize chemical inputs and environmental impact. IPM combines cultural, biological, and chemical control measures, while focusing on preventive strategies, such as crop rotation, habitat manipulation, and beneficial insect conservation. By implementing IPM strategies, farmers can effectively manage pests while reducing the risk of land degradation. 6. Organic farming. Organic farming offers a sustainable alternative to conventional farming practices. It eliminates the use of synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, and genetically modified organisms, reducing the risk of soil degradation and pollution. By relying on organic matter and natural nutrient cycling processes, organic farming enhances soil fertility, improves moisture retention, and promotes biodiversity. Through organic farming, farmers can maintain the long-term productivity and health of their land, while minimizing the impacts of land degradation. Title: Mitigating land degradation. Best practices for sustainable agriculture, continued. 7. Crop residue management. Proper crop residue management is crucial for mitigating land degradation. Leaving crop residues on the field after harvest helps protect the soil from erosion, retain moisture, and enhance organic matter content. Crop residues act as a natural mulch, reducing the impact of raindrops on the soil surface, and preventing the loss of topsoil through runoff. Farmers can also incorporate crop residues into the soil as a natural source of nutrients, improving soil health and fertility. 8. Crop rotation and diversity. Crop rotation and diversity are key practices for sustainable agriculture and land degradation mitigation. By rotating different crops, farmers can break pest and disease cycles, reduce the need for chemical inputs, and improve soil health. Planting diverse crops helps enhance soil biodiversity, promoting beneficial soil microorganisms, and reducing soil-borne diseases. Additionally, diverse cropping systems enhance ecosystem resilience and adaptability to changing environmental conditions. 9. Water conservation techniques. Water scarcity is a critical issue in many agricultural areas, contributing to land degradation. Implementing water conservation techniques can help farmers mitigate the impact of water scarcity on their land. Techniques such as drip irrigation, rainwater harvesting, and precision water management systems optimize water use, minimize evaporation losses, and ensure efficient water delivery to crops. By conserving water resources, farmers not only protect their land from degradation, but also contribute to water conservation efforts. 10. Education and awareness. Education and awareness play a vital role in promoting sustainable agriculture and mitigating land degradation. Farmers need access to information and resources that enable them to adopt best practices and make informed decisions about their farming techniques. Training programs, workshops, and educational campaigns can provide farmers with the knowledge and skills needed to implement sustainable practices effectively. By raising awareness about the importance of land preservation, stakeholders can encourage widespread adoption of sustainable agricultural practices. 11. Sustainable livestock management. Livestock farming can contribute to land degradation through overgrazing and manure accumulation. Implementing sustainable livestock management practices can help mitigate these impacts. Rotational grazing systems allow pastures time to recover, preventing overgrazing and soil compaction. Proper manure management, such as composting or utilizing it as fertilizer, reduces nutrient runoff, prevents water pollution, and improves soil fertility. Integrated crop livestock systems also promote nutrient cycling and enhance soil health. 12. Government support and policies. Government support and policies are essential for promoting sustainable agriculture and mitigating land degradation. Governments can provide financial incentives, technical assistance, and subsidies to encourage the adoption of best practices. They can also establish regulations and standards to ensure sustainable land management and monitor compliance. A supportive policy framework can create an enabling environment for farmers to transition to sustainable agricultural practices and promote long-term land preservation. Title: Mitigating Land Degradation. Best Practices for Sustainable Agriculture, continued. 13. Soil testing and nutrient management. Soil testing is an essential practice for sustainable agriculture and mitigating land degradation. By analyzing soil samples, farmers can determine the nutrient content and pH level of their soil. This information helps farmers make informed decisions about nutrient application, preventing overuse or deficiencies that can lead to soil degradation. Implementing nutrient management plans based on soil test results ensures that crops receive the necessary nutrients, while minimizing the risk of nutrient runoff and contamination. 14. Conservation of genetic diversity. Conservation of genetic diversity is crucial for sustainable agriculture and land degradation mitigation. Traditional crop varieties and landraces possess unique genetic traits that enhance resilience to pests, diseases, and changing environmental conditions. By preserving and cultivating diverse crop varieties, farmers can reduce the risk of crop failure and increase biodiversity. Genetic conservation efforts, such as seed banks and on-farm conservation, play an important role in maintaining agricultural diversity and minimizing land degradation. 15. Community engagement and collaboration. Community engagement and collaboration are essential for tackling land degradation in agriculture. Building partnerships among farmers, researchers, community organizations, and government agencies can facilitate knowledge sharing and the adoption of best practices. Collaborative efforts can lead to the development of local solutions tailored to specific agricultural regions and challenges. Engaging farmers in decision-making processes and providing platforms for knowledge exchange fosters collective action and long-term sustainable land management. 16. Sustainable irrigation practices. Efficient irrigation practices are crucial for mitigating land degradation caused by water scarcity and improper water management. Sustainable irrigation techniques, such as drip irrigation and sprinkler systems, minimize water wastage and ensure